Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be making one of my all-time favorite meals, roast carrots and potatoes. So come join me in my kitchen. This happens to be a 3.3 pound eye of round roast. And this is a recipe we recently made for family members who said they've never tasted a roast so good. The first thing you need is 2 cups of broth, and if you don't have broth in a can or box, you can always make some homemade broth with 2 cups of water and better than bouillon. Next, I'm going to add in 1 package of mushroom gravy mix. And if you don't like mushroom gravy, you can always substitute brown gravy mix. Then add 1 package of au jus gravy mix. And 1 package of beefy onion soup mix. If you don't like beefy, you can just add plain onion soup mix. Scrape all the mix into the broth and then give it a stir. Now I've added my potatoes and carrots, so I'm going to place the lid on. I'm going to cook this for 8 hours on low setting. And here's the finished product. My favorite meal, roast carrots and potatoes covered in gravy. Woo-wee, that smells good. Time to eat. If you try out this recipe, let me know in the comments down below, and like and subscribe while you're at it. Also, click the bell for notifications.